Hi, hello, welcome. Have you ever searched for something online and felt overwhelming by ads and useless result? Most search engines today focus on making money through ads, not on helping us finding the best answer. But what if there was a better way? So in this video you can see my screen. The name is Kagi, which is a fantastic and 100 and 1000 times better way for Google's. Okay, now why? Because in these videos I am going to talk about full tutorials how to use Kagi and not use Google. Okay, meet Kagi, search engine that puts you first. Unlike other search engines, Kagi is ads free. First of all, it's a private and focus on quality. It doesn't track you or sell your data. Instead, it gives you clean, useful search result without distractions. With Kagi, you can customize your search by choosing which website matter most to you. This means you get better, more relevant answer, not just big companies what you see. Privacy is also a big deal. Many search engines collect your data. With Kagi, never track you. Your search stay private, so you can explore the web freely. Okay, are you understand my point? It is a far better than, because your data is not leaking. Your data is not, you are not thinking about what if my data is selling the other companies. It is a bad thing. So Kagi is changing the way we search on, focus on what truly matter, useful information and privacy and greater user experience. If you are tired of being bombarded by ads and tracking, Kagi is the solutions. Here is the things. Now let's talk about the Kagi. If something you want to search is uh, tell me top news today. Okay, summary. Now here is the thing. Here is the first thing is a Wikipedia. Okay, now the top thing is here, and I want to show you. Here is the image, here is the 35 news, and PDF also we can collect it here. Let's see. Here is the PDF. Okay, now okay, top AI tool. Now I want to show you it. Here is the PDF. Okay, here is the top 50 PDF, top 10 best AI writing tools, best assistants. So now here is the top. Okay, here is the top 500 AI tools, which it, if you will be searching a Google, so there is no any chance to be that done directly to give you the PDF. No. So here is a 500. Okay, 500 AI tools you can use here. Now let's come back and I will be show you PDF programming also. If you want to edit something, so we can edit forms also, academic also, alter usenet also, and news. If you want to news something, and 3060, it means this give you the worldwide news, what is going on in top AI tools. Okay, Chinese, 12 hours ago you can see China foreign minister Salam Trump's two-phase policy and PR. And the best thing is that we have a timing also. If you want to see the past 24 hours, we can see past week, past month, past year, and that also if you want to be search. Now the different things I want to show you. If you went, okay, now is the dog. Okay, I will be see here dog, and Google's also dog and search. And here is the image also. We can see here the image, both. You can see here the image. Okay, now the thing, here is the thing, and the good thing is, see here, and the most interesting thing is that latest we can see here GIF, we can see HD also. If we click it HD, so it is a filter out, and we can see here the all the dogs in HD form. Okay, by coloring, if we want to color change it, if we just want to on the blue color, so we can see is a blue color. Okay, here is the also blue color. If we want to click, and we can also download, it is a good thing. You can see here. Okay, now the thing is okay, now it's click, and here is no any options to be downloaded. Okay, so it is far better than in Google. So it is, we can download it here, view image also. So okay, now license image, share image, and commercials, modifying all these image type also, gif, clip, line, face, photo, shopping, LCGV aspect also. Okay, square, tail, wide, whatever you like it, and past day, week, month, year, AI image. Okay, any, yeah, none, yeah, only. If you are only, so what will be happen? See, okay, here is the only. So only, it means only the thing is blue dogs only. So it is a good thing. Okay, now coming to the videos. So what will be happen is a video. So here is the 7 year ago, 2 year ago. If you want to the upcoming, so timing here, so past 24 hour, what will be happen dog. So here is the 21 hour ago. So you can see here, it is a far better than, I am again telling you, it is a good thing. And trust me, I was yesterday I was using this. It is a fantastic and better, 100,000 times is better than in Google's. Trust me. Here is the news. Okay, news. Okay, 20 podcast also, it is a good things. We can see here the podcast is related to the dog. Okay, here is the different types of podcast, whatever topic you like it, you can search and create and listen the podcast. Map also. Okay, now coming to the map. So here is the map. Map is the different things. You can see here the I mean, in how to say it, graphics. You can see here the graphics. It is a fantastic. Okay, now I want to show you the different things which is far better than. So here is the different thing, AI assistant. Okay, a small web here, universal summarizer. If you want to summarize something, fast GPTs translate. So let's start it one by one. First of all is the AI assistant. So AI assistant, what then? So here is the different types of AI tools, so we can use it here. Okay, now coming to the different things. Small web is just like we can search in, and small web gives the answers. Okay, I mean, what is going on in web. So it is universal summarizer. Okay, universal summarizer, it means whatever you I mean, in search, and you want to summarize something, so here is the things. Okay, now now one website. Okay, now this is the one website. So what we'll have to do, we have to copy this link, and we have to use this. And if you want to change the language, we can change the language. If you just click it, and what will happen, it is summarize the page. Okay, here the title term, here is the summarizer. If you want to summary, and if you want to discuss, so we can discuss here. And the most interesting thing, YouTube also, it can be summarized. Okay, so here is the, okay, here is the some one videos. So it is, we can copy here, and now we can generate the summary. So what is going on in this video, it is summarized to us, and we don't need to be watch the whole videos. Just like if you are studying something, if you want, you have to watch the full videos, full lecturer, and the length is the 2 hour, 10 hour. So you just need to be a summaries. So summary can be take, I mean, in less your time. Here is the thing, save your time 28. Okay, you have to wait, you have to watch the videos 28. So 28 we have save our time. And the token also, you can see here the labs. Okay, it is a good fantastic thing I want to show you. So let's coming to the next things, what is going on. Fast GPT, we have a fast GPT. Fast GPT is like a chat GPT here. Fast GPT, and how can you help me? Okay, now let's here is the things. It's like the same, I can provide the accurate comprehensive answer the knowledge of questions. Okay, now coming to the point is translate. It's a like a Google, Google's like a translate. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching it, and take care. Now we